What's up, my sneaker lovers, sneaker heads, sneaker addicts, sneaker community, however you want to call it. But yeah, man, you already see what it is, man. I mean, the best shoe, in my opinion, to ever be created. And I know y'all can't argue with me on the most comfortable shoe to ever be created. Let's be honest. I mean, you feel like you're walking in socks all day on like a air mattress or something. I mean, Jesus Christ, so comfortable, man. And I mean, yeah, let's get into it. Bam. Woo, man, look at that. Uncaged Ultra Boost, man. I mean, I just want to start off by saying to Adidas, man, the black boost is so beautiful. Man, one of my first problems with the Ultra Boost was the way the boosts love to yellow, man, and it just attract dust like white on rice. You know, what I mean, I'm a neat freak, man. I'm a you know, I OCD, like, you know, I just got a problem with things being dirty. You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand, you know, some things are out of control, and that's why shoes ain't made to be a lifetime, but I don't want to be having my shoes for 2 or 3 months and got situations on them that can't really be taken care of. You know, and I don't want to be having to just clean it every 5 minutes, man. But anyways, you know, for what the shoe brings, that's small. I'm gonna be honest. You know, I was just ranting a little bit. Kanye West. But yeah, man, I mean, this black boost, man, is beautiful. I love the colorway. I call them the yin and yangs. But the official colorway is, let's see, Oreo. You know, uncaged. In my opinion, I prefer the uncaged. You know, I just think with the whole sock liner, you know, I think it's gorgeous. I love the three stripes in the front, you know, and I mean like the laces, those flat, high quality, high definition TV type laces. You know, man, like it just real comfortable. Feel like they gonna last a lifetime. You know, once these shoes get out of commission, you know, pop the laces, I throw them in something else. Man, these are beautiful, man. I mean, I don't really have too many complaints, man, at all. Like, these are my favorite Ultra Boost to ever be released. The colorway, you can wear it with so many different things. I mean, the comfort. I mean, just everything about this shoe, man. Like, it just screams high quality, craftsmanship. Just, man, careful designing. This is beautiful. This shoe actually reminds me of a Ferrari 488 GTB. Or maybe a Lamborghini Aventador. It's just beautiful, man. That's all I can say. Man. I mean, you got your matte black boots all the way around. You got your beautiful, prominent, comfortable, ridiculously comfortable material just hugging the whole shoe. And then you got your Ultra Boost branding that's just in straight Night Rider mode. Man, you can't go wrong with these. Like, it's so many different fits you could throw together with this shoe. Like, honestly, man, let's be real. Man, these shoes are so dope. I actually wish that they would have did something special with the box, you know? Like, for real, man. These are amazing, bro. And I mean, you know, the sizing, of course, you know, you gotta go a half size up. Which is okay for what you're getting. I mean, you know, I can put up with a couple things, man. This Ultra Boost wave, this Ultra Boost situation is just such a blessing, man. I mean, I honestly feel like it's a blessing, man. These shoes are gorgeous. They're comfortable. I haven't even purchased a pair of J's since. Like, literally. I promise. You know? But yeah, man. I mean, retail for, let me see. I got them for like $218 after tax. You know, which I gave gladly. I even like threw in a tip, man. Like, here go extra 5. Like, thank you, because like the spot I got them from, they normally run out. But you know, I was lucky enough to where I kind of got cool with this dude. I ain't gonna lie to you, you know. And he held them down for me. But yeah, man, let's get into this on foot.
Can I kick it?
Yes, you can.
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 I'm just a hood ass nigga doing rich nigga shit. When I was broke, I could still fuck a rich nigga bitch. Man, they coming for my neck like a boat.